Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Apps as far as in your major or in my major. But first, you can use Google Apps on your phone instead of the computer. So first you would have to go to your app store and download all of the Google apps. So I have Gmail, Hangouts, Chrome, Docs, Slides, Sheets, Drive, and Google Calendar. So I've already linked all of my apps to my actual Google account that's on my computer. So all of the apps have all the information that I do on the computer already. So the five apps that I would use for my major would be Gmail, Hangouts, Docs, Sheets, and Calendar. So I will use the Gmail, of course, to contact people in a professional way. So I will use Gmail. I will use Docs as far as, let's say if I needed to write up an injury report, I would use that to type it up first. I would use Sheets. Say if I have different athletes and I need their data for something. So if I need to put their age, weight, height, if I'm doing physicals or anything of that matter, I would use Sheets. I would use Google Calendar for staying organized. So let's say I have different games on different days, I would use that to stay organized. And then I would use Hangouts. Hangouts is something new, but I figured that I would use that as far as video chatting with other trainers to see maybe if that person had this injury and how they went about that injury. Maybe they can fix me, or just a simple chatting it up just to see how their life going, or what's going on at their school, or maybe I need more equipment or they need more equipment. It's just a helping tool. So yes, that's the five apps, Google apps, that I would use for my major. Thank you.